Hello everyone, my name is Rathas. In this video, I will show you how to change the first file of Laravel and create the first file for Laravel. So let's go to our project together. Here is my project, and now I use terminal in Visual Studio Code. Actually, you can use the command in Windows also. Yes, but in this I use here new terminal. So here my part of my here is my part of the project. So I start service PHP addition. So enter, you see deploy server, you click on this link, follow here. You can see this is the first file of Laravel project, and now how to change it. So let's go, we go to the resource and we find use. Here is a welcomes that blade here. Like I want to change here Laravel have wonderful. So Laravel have wonderful, like I change here hello, then I refresh it. You see is hello Laravel wonderful. Yes, and we go back. I want to create another files, like okay, right click new files, and I use like users dot blade. Don't forget the blade. Okay, user is the name of file, the blade is extension, and then dot php. In here I just write let's say hello world. Okay, and then I go to route. Okay, route, and then I create one route for that use route use. Okay, so route view in here is the URL, and then here is the page, sorry, a file name or uname here. So here I use users, and the file is users. Here is a view file. You just put only user. The Laravel will know that blade that and that php. So save it. Sorry, save it. And I go here. I will make slash user. Enter it. You see, is hello world. And you see here is the blend URL. So if we delete this and enter, it become the welcome here. It is the route is very important. So all the URL, all the access, we need to create the route. Okay, so here is finished for my creating the first file and change the first file also. So thank you for watching. We will see you the next videos.